Mormon Meteor III is one of the most iconic land speed racing vehicles in American automotive history. Built in 1937, it was commissioned by Ab Jenkins, a devout Mormon and endurance racing pioneer from Utah. Jenkins was already a record setter with earlier cars, including the Mormon Meteor I and II, but he needed a more capable machine to push endurance records further. The Duesenberg-based Mormon Meteor II couldn't reliably handle the immense power of its Curtiss Conqueror V12 aircraft engine. Jenkins turned to Augie Duesenberg to create a purpose-built chassis for what became the Mormon Meteor III. Constructed in Indianapolis, the Meteor III featured a custom chassis offset 6 inches to the left to counteract constant left turns on the Bonneville Salt Flats circular courses. The car was nearly 21 feet long, with a streamlined body, enclosed cockpit, tall stabilizing fin, and 2 fuel tanks over the rear axle. Power came from a massive 1,570 cubic inch Curtiss Conqueror engine, driving the rear wheels through a 3-speed transmission. It had independent front suspension, 22-inch wheels, Firestone racing tires, and carried 112 gallons of fuel, enough for about 2 hours at top speed. First tested in 1938 at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, the car debuted on the Salt Flats in 1939. Despite a fire during an early run, Jenkins returned and, alongside Rex Mays, set a 12-hour record, averaging nearly 170 miles per hour. In 1940, at age 57, Jenkins and relief driver Cliff Berger shattered 21 endurance records, including a 24-hour mark of 160-180 miles per hour, unbroken until 1990. After World War II, attempts to re-engine the car with surplus Allison aircraft engines failed to produce competitive results. In 1950 and 1951, Jenkins continued to break records in the car before a mechanical failure ended its competitive career. Jenkins died in 1956, having set more endurance records than any other driver in history. Neglected for decades, the Meteor III was nearly lost after being abandoned post-parade in 1971. Vandalized and corroded, it was recovered and restored by Ab's son, Marvin Jenkins, who had helped build the car as a teenager. After decades of effort, the car was returned to running condition and in 2011 ran again on the Bonneville Salt Flats for the documentary Boys of Bonneville. Today, the Mormon Meteor III resides at the Price Museum of Speed in Salt Lake City, Utah. Its legacy remains unmatched in the world of endurance speed racing.